What's up, guys? It's Doodoo Poker here, back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about 3-bet pot, imposition, pre-flop, raise, triple barrel concepts. Okay, so we are on the button with ace of hearts, 3 of hearts. Okay, so hijack opens. We're on the button. We decide to 3-bet, and hijack calls. Okay, this is a real hand as well that I played, but it illustrates a really important concept. Okay, so the flop is jack of clubs, 6 of spades, 4 of spades. Okay, so we know that this is going to be high frequency bet. You can simplify to ranging if you would like, and we know it's going to go mostly half pot. Okay, so we have ace of hearts, 3 of hearts. Okay, so we bet 50 and our opponent calls. Okay, now on the turn a jack of diamonds comes. Okay, now this is not a donk spot for hijack because we have a lot of jack X as well. We have ace jack offsuit. We have, king jack suited, queen jack suited, jack 10 suited. Okay, he has slightly more trips than us, but we have a lot of trips as well. So hijack checks to us. Now we have to think. We have ace of hearts, 3 of hearts. Okay, so look at the solver. First of all, you want to ask yourself, why are we not betting ace 3 of clubs? Well, let's think about that for a second. The reason we're not betting ace 3 of clubs is because we want our opponent to have ace queen of clubs, ace 6 of clubs, ace 4 of clubs. We're also blocking trips because now we can't have ace jack of clubs, right? So now it's more likely he has a jack if we have ace 3 of clubs. Same thing with diamonds. Because the turn is a diamond and a jack, you don't barrel turn because the jack is a diamond. So now we don't block ace jack of diamonds. You want to block jack X when you barrel, okay? You also want to unblock the 0 EV targets. What are the 0 EV targets? Pocket 7s, pocket 8s, pocket 9s, pocket 10s, okay? So you don't want a 7, 8, 9, or 10 in your hand, okay? Ace 3 fits the bill. You also don't want to block jack X. Ace 3 of hearts fits the bill, okay? So we should barrel turn here, all right? So let's say we barrel turn. Okay, we know the reasons why we barrel turn. Now, population, once they see you go big on the turn, will fast play their jack X too much. They're going to fast play ace jack too much. They're going to fast play king jack too much, okay? Why do they do that? Because they think you have a strong hand. They think you have aces, kings, queens, flush draws, right? They're going to fast play this too often. So that leaves their check call range too weak, all right? So let's say we barrel turn with ace 3 of hearts. Hijack calls. River, 6 of hearts. Now, we should always jam. Why? We have a 3 in our hand. That means we unblock the 0 EV calls on the river. We unblock 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s. We block ace jack suited. Okay? So it's very important. So because we jam this, we don't jam this. See? Look how ace 7 is not. Why is ace 7 checking, but ace 3 betting? Because of the kicker. You want to unblock 0 EV continues. Okay? Now, when we think about bluffing, I know it's scary on a double paired board. You have to understand, we're pushing an edge. Okay? This is important mentality for bluffing. We're pushing an edge. So when I bet 72% pot all in, and I put 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s in 0 EV spots, I'm going to lose sometimes. Okay? So let's look at the MDA for this. So MDA, so we bet 72%. So let's say 70%. Okay? So what is the folding frequency in the MDA? It's 54. What should it be? Well, we can do the math. It's 70 divided by 170. Risk divided by risk plus reward. Okay? 41%. What's the data show? 54. So we have a 13% discrepancy. But what does that mean? That means we're going to lose 46% of the time. So you have to be mentally prepared to lose 46% of the time. Okay? You're supposed to get caught bluffing. This is what people don't understand. You're supposed to lose sometimes when you bluff. You have to switch your mentality. If you've never been caught bluffing, you're not bluffing enough. You're going to lose 46% of the time. What we're doing is we're pushing an edge. We're pushing a 13% edge here, okay? So understand that. So in the actual hand, I realize this. I have 3-bet. H-Jack calls. Okay, so on the flop, I go 50. He calls. Okay, now on the turn, I realize the target is 7s through 10s, and I block Ace-Jack. He calls again. And on the river, 6 of hearts, and I jam, and he folds. So you want to find bluffs in every spot, okay? Some people never find this bluff. But you have to think, you're supposed to lose when you bluff sometimes, right? We're going to lose 46% of the time on average. But we're pushing the 13% edge. And if we lose, it's okay. We made the right play, okay? So try to change your mentality on bluffing and realize that you're supposed to lose sometimes. All right, guys, this was a 3-bet pot in position pre-flop raise triple barrel concept, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.